In this video, I'll show you how to add a vanilla Visa gift card to Venmo in 2025, step by step. First, open your Venmo app and make sure you're signed in. Go to Settings. From there, select Payment Methods. Next, tap Add Bank or Card, then choose Card. Carefully enter your vanilla Visa gift card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and your name exactly as it appears on the card. Double check that everything is correct to avoid errors. After entering the details, tap Add Card. Venmo will verify the card, which may take a few seconds. Once it's approved, your vanilla Visa gift card will be linked to your account. You can now use it to make payments, send money to friends, or even purchase items directly from the Venmo app. Remember, some gift cards may have small restrictions, so make sure your balance covers the payment you want to make. And that's it. You've successfully added a vanilla Visa gift card to Venmo in 2025. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.